Have you ever woken up in the morning, rubbed your eyes, and wished the world in front of you looked just a little bit clearer? What if I told you that just one small habit before bed could help your eyes see more clearly and feel healthier? Would you want to try it? Hello, I'm Dr. James. I've spent over 2 decades working with people in their 60s and 70s, and one of the hardest things I've seen is how their eyes slowly lose their brightness over time. Many believe it's just fate, that aging means losing clarity, losing the joy of reading, of driving at night, or even seeing the faces of loved ones clearly. But science doesn't agree with that. Recent research shows that our eyes still have the ability to recover, to be nourished and strengthened, if we know how to support them. And the beautiful part? It's not complicated. No expensive prescriptions, no stressful surgeries, just small, simple habits done consistently at the right time. Especially before bed, when the body naturally goes into repair mode. Nighttime is when the body heals itself, and your eyes are no different. While you sleep, your retinal cells are cleaned, free radicals are cleared away, and your tear film is renewed. When you give your body the right nutrients at that exact moment, you're giving your eyes the best chance to restore themselves. And tonight, I want to share with you 5 natural oils that can quietly become your allies, nourishing and protecting your eyes from the inside out. Let's dive into this together, not just to see more clearly, but to truly experience the world around you again, the brightness and sharpness you might have thought were gone. 1. Flaxseed oil, the quiet inflammation fighter. Let's start with an oil that doesn't always get the spotlight, yet quietly protects your eyes day after day. Flaxseed oil. I often compare it to a gentle but powerful gatekeeper, standing watch and keeping balance for your vision. As we age, our bodies lose some of their ability to control inflammation. Chronic inflammation is like a slow, smoldering fire, not enough to make you feel pain right away, but enough to slowly damage the most delicate structures in your eyes. The meibomian glands that produce the oily layer of your tears, or the sensitive surface of your cornea. Flaxseed oil is rich in ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, and omega-3 fatty acid from plants. Your body can convert a portion of ALA into EPA and DHA, 2 compounds proven to calm systemic inflammation. I remember reading a 2015 study in the journal Cornea. After just 30 days of flaxseed oil supplementation, participants showed significant improvements in tear quality and dry eye symptoms. What I love most about flaxseed oil is its simplicity. You don't need a complicated diet plan, just 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed flaxseed oil taken about an hour after dinner, giving your body time to digest and absorb it before you fall asleep. If you don't enjoy its slightly grassy taste, high-quality capsules work just as well. The most important thing is consistency, making it part of your nightly routine. I always tell my patients, be patient, because your eyes need time to heal. Let the flaxseed oil do its quiet work, cooling that invisible fire of inflammation. Once your tear glands and tear films start working in harmony again, you'll notice it the very next morning, when you open your eyes and they feel clear, smooth, and free of that scratchy, gritty feeling. 2. Pumpkin seed oil, your night vision ally. The next oil I want to share with you has a beautiful deep green color, pumpkin seed oil. I like to call it a gift I often recommend to my patients when they struggle with night vision. What makes pumpkin seed oil so special is its high zinc content, a mineral absolutely essential for the health of your retina, especially the photoreceptor cells that allow you to see in low light. When your zinc levels are low, you might notice trouble seeing at night, struggling to read as dusk falls, or feeling uneasy driving after dark. But pumpkin seed oil is more than just zinc. It's also packed with vitamin E and a range of natural carotenoids like lutein, well-studied compounds shown to protect the macula and lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology found that supplementing with pumpkin seed oil can reduce oxidative stress in the retina and improve overall visual function. I usually suggest taking a teaspoon of pumpkin seed oil in the evening, either drizzled over a salad or taken on its own as a gentle nightly tonic. What's fascinating is that many people report not only clearer night vision, but also deeper, more restful sleep, thanks to the natural tryptophan in pumpkin seeds. Think of this as a small nightly ritual, one that not only nourishes your eyes, but also gently signals to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for a good night's rest. 3. Fish oil, the guardian of your retina. There's an incredible fact most people don't realize. Your retina contains more DHA than almost any other part of your body. DHA is like the building block, the very bricks that make up your photoreceptor cells, the cells that capture light and turn it into images. When your DHA levels run low, those cells become fragile, and over time, that weakness can lead to macular degeneration. Fish oil is the simplest, most reliable way to replenish both DHA and EPA. I always tell my patients that the type of fish oil you choose matters. Look for molecularly distilled triglyceride form, sourced from small, cold water fish like sardines or anchovies. 2 capsules each night, each with at least 500 milliliters of DHA and 250 milligrams of EPA, have been shown in numerous clinical studies, including the well-known AREDS2 trial, to significantly reduce the risk of progressing to advanced macular degeneration. I also stress, take your fish oil with dinner, not on an empty stomach. Your body needs dietary fat to absorb omega-3s efficiently. But beyond the science, I see this as something deeper. This is more than just a supplement. It's a promise you make to yourself, a commitment to give your eyes a fighting chance against one of the most common causes of vision loss as we age. Imagine it this way. Every capsule of fish oil is like placing another shield over your retina, allowing light to pass through without harm, keeping the images you see crisp, the colors vibrant, and your connection to the world as clear as possible. 4. Extra virgin olive oil, the shield for your tear film. I always keep a bottle of cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil in my kitchen, not just for cooking, but as part of my evening eye care ritual. Olive oil isn't just a fat, it's a treasure chest of polyphenols, with hydroxytyrosol being one of the most powerful antioxidants found in nature. The magic happens when you take a spoonful before bed. It goes straight into your bloodstream, helping reduce inflammation at the cellular level and supporting the regeneration of your tear film. That tear film is like a perfectly clear pane of glass protecting your cornea. When it gets too thin, you start to feel that stinging, scratchy dryness and even blurred vision. But when it's restored, you can feel the difference the very next morning when you open your eyes. Choosing the right olive oil matters. Go for extra virgin, cold-pressed, organic, and stored in a dark glass bottle. Avoid anything labeled light or pure, as those are often refined and stripped of their valuable compounds. And remember, this oil isn't for cooking. High heat will destroy the very antioxidants your eyes need. Personally, I like to take it straight, but you can also pair it with a small piece of whole grain bread if that feels more comfortable. What matters most isn't how you take it, but that you take it consistently, night after night, until it becomes a natural part of your routine. 5. Avocado oil, nature's sunglasses for your retina. When I think of avocado oil, I picture its smooth, deep green color, like a touch of freshness for your eyes. Avocado oil is one of the richest natural sources of lutein and zeaxanthin. These two nutrients act like built-in sunglasses for your retina, filtering out harmful blue light and reducing oxidative stress. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Clinical Medicine showed that higher blood levels of lutein and zeaxanthin were linked to greater macular pigment density, an essential factor for maintaining crisp, clear, central vision as we age. Avocado oil not only provides these nutrients in a highly absorbable form, but it also delivers vitamin E and healthy monounsaturated fats that help transport these protective compounds directly into the retina. I often recommend adding a teaspoon of avocado oil to your dinner or simply taking it on its own about 1 to 2 hours before bed. It's mild and pleasant, and the beautiful thing is that after a few weeks, you may notice that those bright car headlights at night no longer feel as blinding. Think of avocado oil as a gift to your macula, the tiny but precious part of your eye that allows you to read, recognize faces, and appreciate the fine details of life. 5 oils, 5 companions, each with its own unique role, yet all working toward the same goal: protecting and nourishing your eyes. The most important thing is consistency. Don't expect results overnight, but trust that every spoonful you take today is like planting a seed for a clearer, brighter tomorrow. If you've stayed with me all the way to this point, thank you so much. It means you truly care about your eyes, and that really touches me. I've always believed that when we choose to take care of our vision, we're not just keeping our eyes clear, we're keeping our hearts connected to the world, to the people we love, to the small but precious moments that make life beautiful. Tonight, I want to invite you to try just one small habit. Maybe a spoonful of flaxseed oil, a fish oil capsule, or whichever oil feels right for you. Give your body a chance to heal itself. And if you begin to notice changes, I'd love to hear about it. Share your story in the comments. Your experience might be exactly what someone else out there needs to find hope. If this video made you pause and reflect, or gave you even a small spark of hope, please give it a like. It helps this message reach more people, maybe even friends, siblings, or anyone you know who worries about their eyesight. And if you'd like to walk this journey with me, learning more ways to keep your eyes and body healthy, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Every week, I share simple, effective habits that can help you live well, stay joyful, and keep seeing the world clearly for years to come. Take good care of yourself, and remember, it is never too late to protect your vision. I truly believe that brighter, clearer days are still ahead, and you deserve to see them.